Ayan guys, dito tayo ngayon sa aking online apps. And kung makikita nyo guys, meron na akong 100k points na naipon. Ayan, pwede na siya i-withdraw guys. Minimum na siya na pang withdraw. Then, dito tayo sa withdraw now. Withdraw now. Confirm. Enter kung magkano i-withdraw. So, $10. Then, submit. Confirm. Then, yung ano ninyo, security password. Wait lang.